Meet Joe. Every day, Joe spends hours and hours creating posts for his brand's social media. However, he sees little or no results. Joe needs help. To help improve the quality of his posts, he wants to share his ideas with his team to get their feedback. But managing shared spreadsheets and tracking long threads of emails makes it impossible for him. Joe, meet ViralTag. With ViralTag's collaboration dashboard, it's now easy to work with your team to design a great social media plan. Joe simply invites his team members to a real-time collaborative dashboard on ViralTag. There, they can easily converse and add ideas to develop an exciting social media plan. Together, the team makes changes to the plan and gets updates in real time. With built-in approval workflows, you can add your social media updates directly to your queue and watch your social media engagement soar. With ViralTag, the team gains efficiency and boosts engagement and brand credibility. ViralTag puts the social into social media planning. Try ViralTag free today at viraltag.com. Trusted by over 3,000 brands.